Honor has just introduced the new Honor Band 9, this small accessory that in this generation has a larger screen and promises 14 days of battery life. Interestingly, there was never an Honor Band 8, so they jumped that number. The screen is AMOLED with a resolution of 402 by 256 pixels, offering a size of 1.57 inches with 60 Hz. The body remains with a plastic construction, with a metallic look, nothing more, and comes with water resistance up to 5 ATM. In connectivity, we find Bluetooth 5.3, and it is not only going to work with Honor devices, but also with devices from other brands, from Android 9.0 or also on iOS from version 11 onwards. It comes with all the monitoring that we're used to and supports 96 sport modes, sleep tracking, oxygen saturation monitor, stress levels and other things. It will be available in black, purple and blue colors. At the moment, this bracelet has been presented for China, but it is already available on Honor's global site, so surely soon its price will be announced for regions other than China, since at the moment the price we know is for China. We are talking about a price of 249 yuan, which is approximately $35. Although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there.